Ever noticed your pizza or popcorn turning black and smoky in the microwave? When you heat food in a microwave, the water molecules start vibrating super fast, creating heat. But when the moisture runs out, there's nothing left to absorb those microwaves. So the energy builds up in dry spots, burning the sugars and fats. That's why popcorn turns black when overcooked. It's basically carbonizing. So next time you see those burnt spots, remember, it's not magic. It's microwave chemistry. Microwaves don't just heat. They can literally turn your dinner into charcoal if you're not careful.